What's up guys, here is another quick video about Fiverr gig ideas. So if you do not have experience in Photoshop but you can still provide service like remove background from image, this is one of the popular gig ideas here what you can easily find on Fiverr. And not all people use here Photoshop or services like this. Most of them use simple services like photo or similar. So with this service you can do remove backgrounds, you can restore images like this. They also provide professional photo editing. Okay, so let's try, for example, remove let's remove for example background image. Okay, got my dashboard. Okay, so create new project, and here I will select cut on. Here you can see how complex is image. So for example, if image with portrait hair, then you should select level 3. Okay, let's select level 1 at least. Yeah, let's provide name for our project, and let's search for image. Let's select image, like for example okay, for example this image. I will save it on my computer just for okay, okay, this one, save image. Okay, let's go back to here, upload files, uploading. Let's check how this service will fix simple image with potato. Okay, image uploaded. Let's go to next. We can optimize colors. You can select, if for example if you would like to upload this, if it's product image, for example for eBay, you can select it and it will be optimized as well. Here we will select PNG file and it's transparent will be okay. You can indicate size, color, deep, additional options if you need the source file or no, you need to add logo or something. Okay, let's click on next. Next. Yeah, this service is paid, and as you can see, moment order price is only $1, so they will do all work for you. In other words, before providing service, you can ask people to provide them image. You will get image, upload, follow all steps what I have shown you, and you will see price. So and professional guys who are working in Photoshop, they will do all work almost instantly. You'll pay less than you will get on Fiverr. So if you are simply reselling these gigs here, so you are not doing any work, and professional people will start working. So no matter how difficult project is, um, so before placing orders on photo, make sure to get image first from what need to edit, and then you'll see price. When you see price, you can send custom offer and add money here. So for example, this image I will edit for $5, it's minimum price, and I will spend only $1. So $4 is what I get. And of course you need to work in bulk, so you can collect many orders, upload them all to All, and they will do editing. You'll get and you will simply deliver your work on Fiverr. So guys, I hope this geek idea you will like it, and if you'll try it, let me know. Let me know what other gigs you are selling on Fiverr, and make sure to check link on video description. If you are not sure what is Fiverr is, you can join by using my link. And have a nice day. Bye.